Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add your business name on Google Maps. So here I'm in Google Maps. Now once you're here too, just simply zoom in to the place where your business is located. I will go for a random place, let's say this one right here. So just click on hold on that area, a pin will be added. Now in here just simply scroll down and in here you would see add your business to Maps for free. Just simply click on it. It will take you to this website right here. Now in here type in your business name and business category. I will go for say let's say my business, and after that select a business category. I'll go for let's say food and drink. Yes, go for bakery and all that, and after that just click on next. Now in here you guys can add a location customers can visit, like a store and office. I'll go for yes as well. Click on next. Now in here you guys would have to enter your business address, your country, your street address, your sector, your city and your postal code, and after that just simply click on next. After that it will show you some locations to ask you whether these businesses are yours or not. If they are, select them, and if not just simply click on none of these, click on next. Now in here you would have to simply zoom in and place this marker, this red marker right here where you are located, and after that click on next right here. Now in here you can select yes or no for deliveries, for home or office visits. I will go for no. Now in here you guys can add your contact details if you want the customers to contact you, and if not just simply click on skip right here. Now in here you can get updates about your business. I will go for no, click on next. After which it will verify you, and after that click on next. After which you can add your business hours. I will skip this one. You can add a business description. I will skip this one as well. And in here you can also add images of your business if you want to. I'll skip this as well. I'll skip this one as well. I'll skip this one as well. Or you can claim your $400 advertising credit. And after that just simply skip this last one. And after that click on continue. Google will take some time to verify you, and after which your business will be completely visible. So that is how you can add your business name on Google Maps. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.